Hi guys, we're testing out ArcoLinux Tweak Tool, and I started always in the terminal so I can see what's going on, but that's not necessary. And I'm installing all of them. That's also not necessary and certainly not advisable, but this is a test, right? So a VirtualBox system, so really don't care. Now the thing is, sometimes you say, hey, what's going on, right? And I had this GNOME package that was like downloading forever. I said, oh, what's going on? I am in XFCE now, and I've added this little thing to it. So right mouse click, panel, add new items. Every desktop will have something to monitor your network. So network monitor, you click it, you add it. And then I said to the system, right mouse click, properties, and I said monitor this network device. So not the local one, but NPO63, so the LAN VirtualBox thing. And then you can immediately see, okay, get it. It's going to download in kilobytes, not in megabytes. And that's when I told myself, oh, I should update my mirrors, right? Ctrl-Alt-T, the world is round. Around the world, lots of servers of ArcoLinux. So you need to update the ArcoLinux servers, and there are aliases. There is mirror, there is mirror A, there is mirror D, and so on. So if you look in the bash RC, the .bashrc, it's hidden, you just go there and look for it. And the end mirror list is what's used. Pacman is going to check out this one. So every package that I've been installing, and he's now installing Plasma, so is downloaded from this little guy. And if this fails, if the package we want is not there, it's going to come from Italy, then it's coming from EU here, mail tunnel, and so on and so on. So that's important, right? If you start using the tweak tool, the source where it's coming from might be, I'm in Belgium, right? And if my server is in Taiwan, yeah, for sure, I will have to wait hours for the packages to come from there to here. So keep in mind, and I thought, let's make a video. So you see here this tool here. Now it is not downloading anything, but you see that it's downloading with kilobytes or megabytes, right? And then you have an idea, okay, got it, right. I need to update the mirrors. Okay, have fun guys, cheers.